Welcome to Dermat Vet. Dear friends, I could not imagine a more beautiful sight than this. I am again back in the nature. Dear friends, and today I am going to talk about a kitten, unfortunate kitten which is born dead because it was treated earlier with grusofilin for dermatophytosis during the first trimester of her pregnancy. So today we are going to talk about the side effects of grusofilin. In it we are going to talk about what is the most likely cause of the kitten's death, what is the mechanism of action of grusofilin, this drug, and how is this drug grusofilin absorbed and delivered to the skin. These are the three issues which we are going to talk in today's session. My dear friends, let us talk about the first one. First is, what is the most likely cause of kitten's death? The answer is, this kitten died as a result of grusofilin induced birth defect. Grusofilin is known teratogen. Teratogen means any drug which is acting against the pregnancy, means that this drug should never be given during pregnancy. That drug is called as teratogen. So grusofilin is known teratogen and should not be administered to pregnant cats. So my dear friends, what will be the solution if we are not using grusofilin for fungal infection? Then lime sulfur is very safe. Topical lime sulfur treatment twice weekly is recommended as a safe alternative therapy. Now, grusofilin is a fungistatic antifungal drug produced by Penicillium grusofilivum. It works by inhibition of cell wall synthesis, nucleic acid synthesis and mitosis. Now, I am talking about technical issues, how the drug is absorbed and why this drug is not administered during pregnancy. This will be useful for the final year of veterinary students. This drug is primarily active against growing organisms, but it may keep dormant cells from dividing. So, grusofilin inhibits nucleic acid synthesis and metaphase, interfere with the function of spindle microtubules. Morphogenetic changes in fungal cells occur and possibly interfere with the chitin synthesis. Therefore, this drug should never be used. And now, since the particle size also affects absorption of this drug, it is formulated in a micro size and ultra macro size formulation. The drug can be detected in a stratum corneum within 8 hours to 3 days of administration. This may be little technical topic, but very important for practicing veterinarians and final year of BBSc and AH students. So, my dear friends, in this natural surrounding next to the lake with lots of fishes around me, lotus flowers, a beautiful morning, and I am completely absorbed in the nature. Your Dermat Vet is signing off again, just to promise you that again I am going to meet you day after tomorrow, coming up with another episode of Dermat Vet. Please consider subscribing Dermat Vet. If you found this video informative, and please press the bell icon to get notifications from Dermat Vet.